Hey guys, Catrina Kidd here. You may know me from the hit TV show Texas Flip and Move that airs on DIY Network. And I could not be more excited to announce that in March, I'm going to be traveling to Owensboro, Kentucky, where I have the honor and the privilege of speaking at the 2020 Girls Empowerment Trailblazer Dinner. This dinner is put on by the Owensboro Community and Technical College, and I am so excited to be coming alongside such a great organization. I'm going to get a chance to talk about my career, about where it all began, the ups and the downs and the twists and the turns, and even what landed me on TV. One of the biggest questions that I always get is, what's it like being a woman working in a primarily dominant man's world? So we are definitely going to address that, and I'm also going to open it up for a Q&A. I would love an opportunity to see you all there. This takes place Thursday, March 5th, 2020 in Owensboro, Kentucky.